Hey! In front of me is REALME C30, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this REALME device. You need to start by accessing one of your apps like REALME and choosing this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of an app and select split screen. Now you can click on one of your apps from the background or select home button and tap on one of those, like Play Store. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. In order to go back from this mode, you need to swap your first app upwards and select home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!